Hi everyone, welcome to our lesson 12 of our geometry unit. We're going to be focusing on just perimeter today. I know that we talked about perimeter and area, but today we're going to be focusing on perimeter. So what I want you to do is look at this shape right here. As you guys know, this is a rectangle. So if I were to say, where is the perimeter of this shape? Show me with your finger the perimeter of this shape. You guys would go like this, because remember, the perimeter is the fence or the boundary of a shape. So now we're going to start talking about how we can actually measure the perimeter. So if I were to say, what is the perimeter in centimeters, what do you think you would do? You would add up each side. So how are we going to do that? We don't see any numbers. You're going to use your ruler. So for this lesson, you're going to need a ruler, and you're going to need your lesson 12 problem set. And let's go ahead and get started. So let's look at shape A. What we're going to have to do to figure out the perimeter in centimeters is measure each side in centimeters. So we're going to line up our ruler on the flat edge, corner to corner, and we see that this side is 10 centimeters long. So I'm going to put 10 centimeters right here. Let's go ahead and measure this side. This one is 4 centimeters. And now what I'm going to do is, because I know this side is equal and I know this side is equal because it's a rectangle, I'm going to go ahead and write 10 centimeters and 4 centimeters because they are the same lengths. Now you could always check also. So this side is also 10 centimeters, and this side is also 4 centimeters. So now what we're going to do is add up all the sides. So it should look like this. You're going to do 10 plus 10 plus 4 plus 4. And what does that equal? We know that 10 plus 10 is 20. We know that 20 plus 4 is 24, and we know that 24 plus 4 is 28. So the perimeter of shape A is 28 centimeters. Let's try another one. So now we are on to our lesson 12 problem set, and it says to measure and label the side lengths of the shapes below in centimeters. So we're going to be measuring and labeling the side lengths in centimeters. Then find the perimeter of each shape. So let's go ahead and look at A. We know that this is a square because all sides are equal and there are 4 right angles. Each corner makes a little square. So I'm going to go ahead and measure one side with my centimeter side of my ruler. I'm going to line it up. And I see that this side is 3 centimeters long. And they went ahead and already put some lines for us. So we're going to write 3 right here. And just to show you that all sides are equal, we can always check. And, sorry about that. We need to put 3 centimeters right there. And see, every side's going to be 3 centimeters. So I can write 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. So that's labeling our side lengths. And then we're going to do 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. We're going to add them up all together. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12 centimeters. So our answer down here is going to be 12 centimeters. So now let's go ahead and do B. So this is not a quadrilateral. This is actually, well, let's find out. How many sides do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 sides for this polygon. So that is a hexagon. So let's go ahead and start measuring our sides. So I have my centimeters side of my ruler. And I'm going to line it up. Oh, we have 3 centimeters again. So I'm going to put 3 centimeters. Let me see if this is a regular hexagon by measuring every side and seeing if it's equal. Oh, this side is also 3 centimeters long. This is also 3 centimeters long. So they're all going to be 3 centimeters long. So then we just go down here to our perimeter and we're going to write 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. We wrote it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we're going to add. What's 3 plus 3? 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. So then down here, for our answer, we're going to write 18 centimeters, and that is the perimeter. So this question is number 3 on the back side of our problem set. It says, Hugh and Daisy draw the shapes shown below. Measure and label the side lengths in centimeters. So we're going to be measuring, we're going to be labeling the side lengths in centimeters. Whose shape has a greater perimeter? How do you know? So our answer is going to be the perimeter that has the highest number, or the greatest perimeter. And then we're going to explain how we know. So what's the first thing we have to do to determine the perimeter of this shape? We have to measure the side lengths. So let's go ahead and get our ruler, turn it to the centimeter side, and start measuring. So this side is 3 inches again. So 3 centimeters. Let's check and see if they're all gonna match. This one is also 3 centimeters. Three centimeters. A lot of turning of the paper. 3 centimeters. And this one, 3 centimeters. All right, so now we have to add our sides together. So if this is a pentagon, because there's 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm gonna write 3 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's add them all together. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. So our perimeter for Hugh's shape is 15 centimeters. Now let's check Daisy's shape. So we're going to get our ruler on the centimeters side and measure all the sides. So this side is 5 centimeters long. So let's write 5 centimeters right here. What about this side? Oh, this side is 4 centimeters. Let's check this side. 3 centimeters. And we know that these 2 sides are equal, so this one's going to be 4 centimeters. And now we have to add them all together. So I have 4 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 5 centimeters. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. So this answer is 16 centimeters. So Hugh's shape was 15 centimeters. Daisy's shape was 16 centimeters. So Woo's shape has the greater perimeter. Which one is the higher number? 15 or 16? It's going to be 16. So Daisy's shape has the greater perimeter. So for your answer, you would write Daisy's shape has a greater perimeter. And it says, how do you know? So we're going to put a period, and then we're going to say the perimeter of her shape is a bigger number? And there you go. That is our answer to number 3. And let's go ahead and do our final problem of the problem set. It says Andrea measures one side length of the square below and says she can find the perimeter with that measurement. Explain Andrea's thinking. Then find the perimeter in centimeters. So let's go ahead and look at this shape. We know it's a quadrilateral. Are there 4 right angles? Yes, there are. All the corners make squares. And are all the sides equal? So this side is 4 centimeters, like she said. Oh, well, she said she measured one length of the square below. So we went ahead and measured, and it's 4 centimeters. And she's saying that she can find the perimeter with just this measurement. So that means that all these sides are equal. So this side is 4 centimeters, this side is 4 centimeters, and this side is 4 centimeters. So Andrea is correct because all sides are equal. So if you just measure one length, you can go ahead and do all of them because they're all going to be the same. So let's go ahead and write, because this shape is a square and has 4 equal sides, Andrea only needs to measure one side to get the measurement for all 4 sides. Okay, and then it says to find the perimeter in centimeters. So we're gonna go 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So we have 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. So our perimeter is 16 centimeters. And that's our answer number 4. So we just reviewed our lesson 12 problem set. We went ahead and did 4 questions together as a class. So now what I need you to do is get out your lesson 12 homework sheet. Your parents should have already printed it out for you. And so the only problems that you need to complete on your lesson 12 homework sheet are numbers 1D, 1E, 2, 3, and 4 only. Yes, Pavan, you can do the entire sheet if you want to. I know you're going to ask. But you only need to have these 5 completed for our Math Live chat tomorrow. We're going to go over the rest of them during the Math Live chat. So go ahead and get started on that. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask me. And that is it for you. Bye.